Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Carblog India, and in this video I'm going to give you a walk around the new Activa I that has been launched by Honda in India. I'll quickly show you around all the features of this scooter and show you what is special in the Activa I. Starting with the styling, the Honda Activa I is the signature Honda design. The headlamp cluster resembles the Honda Activa Deluxe version or the Aviator that you see, and the front has two integrated turn indicator clusters over here. The front mud guard is also sharp and pointing towards the front, and there are lines running all across the scooter as you can see from here. The front gets the combi brake feature that you get in the Aviator as well as Activa, which improves the braking performance. There is hydraulic spring loaded suspension at front and same at the rear. The seat design is fairly large for the comfort of the passenger as well as the pillion rider, and as you can see the rear also gets a tubeless tire. The designing from the side panels of the scooter is very conventional as well as stylish. As you can see, the flowing lines resembles the wing, which is the philosophy of Honda. It gives you wings to fly. A little closer, you can see the instrument cluster, which is again contemporary design with standard odometer, speedometer. There is no tachometer here, and you have a fuel gauge on the right hand side. Standard switchgear that you find in Activa as well as Aviator, with the horn on the left hand side, turn indicator, followed by the beam control on the left side. On the right hand side you have the self start switch, which becomes activated when you press the brakes, and there is a switch to turn on the headlamps. Unlike the Honda Activa or Aviator, there is no magnetic shutter lock on the top of the key. It has an under seat storage of around 18 liters. I'll just open up and show you. So there is plenty of under seat storage, 18 liters to be precise, where you can keep your helmet and other stuff. And the fuel filling cap is also under the seat, so you will have to open the seat to fill the fuel in your Honda Activa I, like the Honda Activa. Talking about the rear end styling of the Activa I, it looks very beautiful with the integrated cluster which contains the brake lamps as well as the turn indicator. There is a small reflector down here which can be used in the normal lighting conditions. The Activa I branding over the sides, and the rear looks very sleek and stylish. The ride height of Activa is not very high to keep it an easy to ride and get off scooter. The exhaust muffler of the Honda Activa I is also very different from what you see in Activa. In Activa it's a box-like structure, and here it is more like of that of a bike, more cylindrical, and is stylish, finished in black matte finish. So looks pretty nice when it comes to overall designing of the scooter. Talking about the engine on the Honda Activa I, it is the same unit that you find on the Dio, Activa as well as Aviator. This is 109.2cc engine which produces a peak power of 8 bhp and a peak torque of 8.7 Newton meters. With a stylish overall exterior design, good under seat storage, tubeless tires, nice styling, good mileage of around 60 kilometers per liter. This scooter is a nicely positioned scooter in a price segment of under 50,000 rupees on road price. This is all we have for you on the Honda Activa I. We'll give you a test ride review very soon. Stay tuned to Carblog India. If you like our video, please press the like button below. For more such videos, please press the subscribe button. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.